All right, folks, grab your tech curiosity hats because we're diving into why Parsons Corporation, trading under the ticker PSN on the NYSE, is making hefty waves in the tech and environmental sectors today. If you've ever wondered how the world of technology meets environmental stewardship, this is a textbook case. Parsons is in the spotlight for snagging a coveted position on a $1.5 billion contract with the U.S. Air Force. Now, that's not just pocket change, is it? This contract, helmed by the Air Force Civil Engineering Center, is all about providing architect-engineer services for environmental issues. We're talking big-ticket problem-solving on a global scale, focused on tackling the infamous PFAS contamination and more. PFAS, which can give anyone a short-circuit headache, are those pesky forever chemicals that linger in the environment much longer than unwanted house guests. Parsons will be on the front lines, fighting not only PFAS, but gearing up against other emerging contaminants. The contract covers the next 5 years, making Parsons a long-term partner in the Air Force's green initiatives. Competing for task orders, Parsons will have its hands on everything from restoration projects to compliance strategies, conservation efforts, and key planning initiatives. Their rollout will cover Air Force bases, but they won't stop there. The ripple effects could reach boundless shores, including initiatives with federal entities like NASA and the Defense Logistics Agency. With over 50 years in the environmental engineering business, Parsons isn't green behind the ears. They're green in all the right ways. From solving past contamination headaches to their future-focused, cutting-edge solutions, they've shown they can dance to the tune of government contracts while conducting a symphony of state-of-the-art technology. But wait, there's more context. Just last week, Parsons clinched a $24 million gig to champion the Naval Medical Research Command's biological defense projects. Talk about a tech and defense combo. What makes this exciting news is that Parsons embodies the best of tech innovation, meshed with global goodness. It's the kind of win-win that makes even the most poker-faced stock investors nod in approval. So here's the billion-dollar question of the day. What are your thoughts on the role of tech companies like Parsons in tackling environmental issues? They've taken up quite the heroic mantle. I want to know if you think it's effective or if they're biting off more than they can chew. Let your thoughts overflow and drop them in the comments. We're all ears like a tech support team waiting for your call. Remember to ping the comments section with your thoughts, queries, or phenomenal insights. Let's hash it out together. After all, you might just inspire the next segment with your comment. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.